When a girl child is born, she's already born with certain amount of eggs in the ovaries. That gradually comes down. Okay, when they attain their menarche,
आपके हिसाब से क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकता है इफ वी हैव लेट प्रेगनेंसीज एंड ऑल
all these risks are increased with age of mother. Conceiving would be a difficult part. Miscarriages का chances ज़्यादा होगा, chromosomal abnormalities का chances ज़्यादा होगा, Down syndrome.
क्या बोलते हो गाइस, शुरू करें? Hello guys, how you healing? So welcome to yet another episode on your favorite health podcast We Talk Health, where we talk a lot of things about health और क्या हमको करना है और क्या नहीं. Myself Dr. Samir, your host, that is Dr. Host for the day. Actually, we have a lot of hectic lifestyle these days क्योंकि हम लोग बहुत ambitious रहते हैं, we are career focused and उसी बीच में हम लोग अपने health का ख्याल नहीं रखते हैं. And that is the reason a lot of beautiful ladies around me have this issue of getting pregnant after their 30s. तो उस चीज़ को एड्रेस करने के लिए टुडे वी हैव एन एक्सपीरियंस एंड डायनामिक ऑब्स्टेट्रिशियन डॉक्टर रेशमा विथ अस who is having over 10 years of experience when it comes to women's health and fetal medicine. एंड आज मैम हमारे बहुत सारे डाउट्स क्लियर करेंगे, जैसे क्यों लेट प्रेगनेंसीज होता है, वाई पीपल डेलिबरेटली प्लान लेट प्रेगनेंसी, अगर हम लोग प्लान भी करते हैं तो व्हाट आर द प्रॉब्लम्स वी मे फेस एंड व्हाट आर द मेडिकल एडवांसमेंट्स वी हैव, क्या क्या हम लोग को ख्याल में रखना है. So do watch this video and share it with all the ladies around you so that they don't have issue if they're planning a late pregnancy.
Thank you, Samir, for having me on this podcast.
My pleasure, ma'am. So, ma'am, coming to the first question straight. So, आजकल people have this thing of getting pregnant late. Maybe it's a fashion statement or people are more focused. So, आपको क्या लगता है? What's the major cause of planning a late pregnancy or after 30 pregnancy?
समीर, आपको क्या लगता है, लाइक यू आर अ डॉक्टर, आई एम अ डॉक्टर, हम कब MBBS चालू किया एंड कब PG किया एंड MCH किया, इन सब में इतना साल जाता है. सो एवरीबडी वांट्स टू लाइक टाइम टू सेटल नाउ, लाइक बिकॉज देयर इज नो एंड फॉर दिस. Not even doctors, even the people who are in other lines, like in this competitive world, like they have to keep struggling for a place, these days. So I don't say that they're wrong in their part, but there are, you have to take care of your health as well, like because at certain age, like after a certain age, there are a lot of complications that are coming in, and you can't ignore all that because when things are under control, there are a lot of things that you can do, but then like once they are out of control, it is very difficult.
So, according to you, the major cause of having pregnancy, a late pregnancy, is that we are planning. There's no medical cause behind it.
See, there are two different entities. If some people are trying to get pregnant and they're not able to get pregnant, that is a different entity. And some people, they're planning to get pregnant only late because they're deciding on this thing late. So these two are different things. And this is completely, a different way of approach you do for these two things, because when somebody is not able to get pregnant, even if they're trying, so they need certain treatments and all that. And if they are delaying pregnancy, there are different kind of approach that you advise them and like go ahead with.
तो ऐसा अगर मैम आप जो बोल रहे हैं कि लाइक देयर इज अ थिंग कि अगर हम प्रेगनेंसी प्लान लेट करते हैं तो चांसेस कम हो जाता है, सो कैन यू ब्रीफली से मी कि लाइक हाउ द ओवुलेशन थिंग हैपेंस, या फिर क्या प्रॉब्लम है जो बहुत लोगों का मिथ है कि नहीं लेट में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है नहीं. सो कैन यू से मी द मैकेनिज्म व्हाट हैपेंस इन केस ऑफ लेट प्रेगनेंसीज.
See, people must have heard about ovarian reserve. That means like when a girl child is born, she's already born with certain amount of eggs in the ovaries. That is around 10 to 20 lakhs of eggs they already have when they're born. That gradually comes down. Okay, when they attain their menarche, that that drastically drops to 3 to 5 lakh. Like that difference you see. And then when they're touching 30s and 35s, it comes to almost 50,000 to 1 lakh. So your egg count is going down. That means your chances of getting pregnancy is going down, like eventually when you age. And also the quality of eggs are going down, like not even the quantity, the quality also goes down like with age. So you have to be very very cautious when you are taking an informed decision of delaying pregnancy. So there are a lot of options nowadays, like to deal with it. Not just like, I don't say that you can't focus on your career and you just have to get married at 21 and like have kids by 23 and like then only see what happens. No, it is not like that now. Like you can't change the fact that like generation have
The
changed.
competition, the rat race we are
Yes.
running for.
So like there are a lot of medical advances that are available. So please make, I want to say that they should make use of these things, so that like they don't get affected because of the career. It goes hand in hand.
Like you rightly mentioned कि there are a lot of medical advances. Like मैंने भी पढ़ा हुआ है कि आजकल there's a concept of egg freezing.
Yes.
Okay, so how that thing works and हमको कैसे plan करना है, कब plan करना है, what is the whole game around egg freezing?
See, egg freezing is the one of the best option available now. Like I would say to every the lady who enters my OPD, like they want to get pregnant eventually, but they don't want it now. Like for them, this is the best option. The early, the better. So like you say from around 26 to 32 is the best thing. And nothing is late. Like if you decided 34, I don't say that it can't happen. And like the early the better. So like as early as possible, if you decide for egg freezing, so the procedure is same as we stimulate the ovaries in IVF cycles. So we stimulate the ovaries to produce lot of follicles, like where you get produce lot of eggs. And then like there is a procedure called egg retrieval, so ovum pickup, sorry. You pick the ovum, and then like you freeze it for future use. So you cryo preserve them. So for future use, you can definitely use them like whenever you want. So if they are freezing the egg at 26, say suppose, that thing which the egg age is 26, the biological age is 26. Imagine like you can get pregnant at 35 with the 26-year-old egg, which is like quality wise, which is much better. And like there are much chances of having a healthy child, rather than like doing at 35.
So after listening to this thing, ma'am, I have two questions. So one of my major question, जैसे आप बोले थे कि egg freezing technique हो गया. So according to you, what is the right age if you are planning for having pregnancy after 30? So what will be the right age, or we have a age वाला, I can say a age limit कि इसके पहले ही egg freeze कर लो तो best है.
As I said, the early the best. So at least before 35 it is okay, but reasonably before 30, if you freeze eggs, that is best. At least by 32. Like
The max you can go till 32. That is advice is कि उससे पहले कर लो अगर तुमको plan करना ही है late pregnancy.
yes.
And my second question is like how easily हमारे society में people accept the fact कि हमको egg freezing करना है, और आपके पास कितने सारे patients आए हैं जो लोग plan करते हैं egg freezing, but there is a social taboo कि हम लोग egg freezing करना, ये करना, family acceptance. What's the scene behind that?
I don't know why this taboo is still there, like I've been seeing like even for IVF cycles and all, still people don't think that they can talk about IVF and all. Like why why is such a thing that if not everybody can get pregnant so easily. If you are taking some help, that is okay. Like it is not something that you can't talk about. So likewise, if there is so much advancement that like you're getting married late, you deciding on not having kids till 35, then why, like you can have this, lot of film stars and all those people like celebrities, they're coming out important talking about these egg freezing, which is a great thing, because like now people are even understanding that it is not such a taboo that I can't say that I have freezed my egg and like I'm sitting. It is a great thing now, like that you freezed your egg and you are safe. That I mean, I would say that that is a good thing.
And it's like I can say it's a boon, like
Yes.
if we can plan it and all. पर मैम बहुत लोगों को ये सारा चीज़ इट्स नॉट अवेलेबल प्रिटी वेल, लाइक अगर हम लोग वी गो टू tier 2 places या tier 3 places, तो उनके लिए तो ये एग फ्रीजिंग वाला मैकेनिज्म वोंट बी अ वायबल सोल्यूशन. सो इन दैट केस व्हाट डू यू सजेस्ट?
I don't think so, because nowadays the IVF centers are everywhere. Like I see tier 2 cities also, there are a lot of IVF centers. But then, like, for that is a matter of 1-2 months. So they can still, if the IVF center or something is not available in their city, they can still go to the nearest place and get it done, which will secure your life, secure your reproductive life. That is like I think, which is
Something is better than nothing.
Yes.
Like you have solutions, you are pro, you have
utilize the things which
Yeah.
are in the market.
And the most important thing that people have this notion that it may be harmful for them, but I don't think there's any problem if we go ahead with freezing eggs, right?
No. Like only thing is they have to undergo this process of taking injections daily, and like for the development of eggs and all that. Only that thing, like the minimal injection pain and all those things are that is fine. I think, like, if you see pros and cons of it, definitely there are a lot of advantages more than like disadvantages. So I think that is the very good thing.
So guys, I hope your most of the doubts are cleared. और अगर आपका और भी डाउट्स रह गया है तो नीचे हमें कमेंट में ज़रूर पूछिएगा, तो दैट हम मैम को फिर से बहुत रिक्वेस्ट करके फिर से बुला सकते हैं, सो दैट शी कैन क्लियर ऑल आवर डाउट्स. एंड डू शेयर दिस वीडियो विथ ऑल द ब्यूटीफुल लेडीज यू लव एंड केयर फॉर.